So this is your spacious living room. So this is a spacious and luxurious kitchen. This is your luxurious and spacious fourth bedroom of the flat, which is... Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesh, and in today's video I am going to give you the 4 BHK sample flat tour of Kumar Prism Towers, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Kirtane Bagh, Magarpatta, Pune, and is developed by Kumar World. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which this is the entrance of the project that leads you to the sales office. And in front of the entrance is the Mundwa Kharadi Road. Now, before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. Kumar Prism Tower will be constructed on 2.1 acre of land parcel comprising of 2 towers, which will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 2 podiums plus 33 floors, offering 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Amanora Park Town, कीर्तने बाग, मगरपट्टा, पुणे। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, सेल्स ऑफिस के एंट्रेंस के सामने है मुंडवा खराड़ी रोड, जो राइट साइड से है कीर्तने बाग रेलवे ब्रिज, जो आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करती है खराड़ी से, और लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करती है पुणे सोलापुर हाईवे से। And the road being shown to you right now directly connects you to Amanora Park Town. इस लोकेशन की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सीजन्स मॉल which is within 650 meters, मुंडवा चौक which is within 1.1 kilometers, and मगरपट्टा सर्कल गार्डन व्यू which is within 1.3 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में with the help of project's 3D model. This project has over 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, amphitheater, aqua deck, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, and many more. Now let us check out the sample flat. So as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a spacious and luxurious 4 BHK sample flat of Kumar Prism Towers, which has 1722 square feet of carpet area. Now here at the entrance, you get a digital door lock to your door, and then at your entrance's lobby, you can set up decorative items or a shoe rack. Now let me show you the living room and the dining space. So this is your spacious living room, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. And with the living room, you also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, step-on grass railings, and is 3-side cover. Now, before I show you the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, which is at the entrance of the flat, as it is based on butterfly concept. So this is our first bedroom of the flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which is connected to your hall's balcony. You also get an attached washroom in this bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let me show you the dining space of this flat. So this is your dining space of the flat, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now, let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is a spacious and luxurious kitchen of this flat which has an L-shaped granite platform and a sink attached to it with a dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. And this is where you get your refrigerator setup space to set your fridge up. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. So this is your second bedroom of the flat where this is where your bed setup space and you get a wall-to-wall window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you get your wardrobe setup space here. Now let me show you the third bedroom of this flat. But before I show you that, let me mention you about the common washroom that you get here, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our third bedroom of the flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get a wall-to-wall attached window with it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is your wardrobe setup space. You also get an attached washroom with it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now, before I show you the fourth bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now, let us check out the fourth bedroom. So this is the walking space and this is your luxurious and spacious fourth bedroom of the flat, which is the master bedroom, and this is where you get your bed setup space and an attached balcony to it which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is 3-side cover. This is where your walk-in wardrobe is. And here is where you get your wardrobe space. And you also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, a bathtub and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour of the 4 BHK of Kumar Prism Towers, which is located near Amanora Park Town, Kirtane Bagh, Magarpatta, Pune, and developed by Kumar World. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.